Okay, so I'm quickly making this video just to show what I've been doing over the last day or two in my game, because I've got quite a lot done. So, first of all, in the spell book, I've changed how the whole putting points into the system works. So, for example, in Fighter now, rather than spending a certain amount of points to unlock Fire, Fire is a tier 1 spell, and to unlock tier 1 spells you need 1 point in Fire, so you put 1 point into Fire, and then now you've got that, and you go back, you got it ready. We've got the Fire spell, with its sounds and its particles. And then, at the moment, I've given myself 5 to start off with, and I've spent 1. I could put 1 into water, and I've got an arcane spell, 1 into arcane. And for example, fire does 22 to 27 damage there. But if I put the next 2 points in, the damage then goes up. So, as you spec into a tree, all of that tree gets stronger by a bit, so that the early spells still are relevant later on. So, that was out of range just. I have made the teleport staff now has some sounds, or the teleport ability has some sounds and particles now, a poof. So like, let's do it on the barrel actually. So can go Vom. My friend made these sounds anyway. I got the purple cloud of smoke that I made. So it teleports from here to here. And I've also started making an ice blast staff that does less damage, but it has a slow. For the time being, it's a cube, and it shoots a sphere because I haven't made any particles or anything yet. But it works, so if you see this enemy moving towards me at a pretty fast pace, and if I hit it with this, and it slows for a few seconds, and then it speeds back up. And it slows. It sped back up, I just didn't notice. It lasts for, I think I made it last for 2.5 seconds, the slow. Oh. Yeah, anyway. I used a coroutine for that, where you can use wait 4 seconds, wait for 3 seconds, or 2.5 or whatever, before it sets the speed back to normal. So you set the speed to low, and then wait, and then set it back to high, well, normal. And it works pretty well. I just now need to make it look like ice and have some sounds, and I'll be doing that over the next day or two. Along with some other spellbook things, but I'm liking the progress, and why is that not working? Oh, okay. Now we've got a really fun teleport mechanic for items and enemies as well. Can go and grab this guy and then chuck him into the water, and then I can pull out his little heal thing. Enemies only get 1 shot in water at the moment because I haven't made a way of getting out of the water. I get 1 shot as well, yeah, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye.